Here we'll guide you through the standard uses, features, and benefits of the Watts Big Bubba BB-S101 whole home filtration system. Clean water is essential to health and well-being, but do you really know what's in your tap water? According to the U.S. Geological Survey, close to half of the country's tap water contain the forever chemicals known as PFOS. The EPA has found more than 9 million lead pipes supplying drinking water throughout the U.S. The CDC warns that waterborne cysts like Giardia and Cryptosporidium can cause gastrointestinal distress. Now more than ever, your home needs a water filtration solution. Help keep your water filtered and your family protected with the BB-S101, the whole home filtration system certified in the reduction of PFOA and PFOS, common PFAS chemicals, lead, cysts, and chlorine taste and odor. The BB-S101 boasts a single high-capacity carbon block filter, rated for the reduction of particulates as small as 0.5 microns. A single filter can treat up to 84,000 gallons of water at flow rates up to 4 gallons per minute, providing comprehensive filtration of contaminants, powerful enough to meet the water needs of most families. All BB-S101 systems come standard with a volumetric flow monitor, which tracks water usage and proactively notifies homeowners via email or SMS alerts when filter replacements are due, approximately once per year for the average household. Maintaining this system couldn't be easier. When it's time for a filter replacement, just remove and replace the single exhausted cartridge. That's it. That's all it takes to keep clean, filtered water flowing for your family. Protect what matters most, and deliver your family crystal clear, sparkling clean water from every tap in the house. Ask your local water quality expert about the BB-S101 today.